So now we need to skin the torso area. So if we just move back to frame 0, so we're in the base pose, select Zombie 01 and click Edit Envelopes to go back into the vertex editing mode. And we've still got the weight tool open. If you did lose it, you can just open it up again using this button here. And now let's start selecting the spine bone. You can either highlight it from this list here or just select it like I did in the viewport. And so we're going to select first the 2 loops at the top of the trousers here. Now since I'm going to use the loop button, I'm not selecting the 2 vertices directly on top of each other, because that would actually give us an incorrect loop running up and down the body instead of around. So I've got 2 vertices here, 2 vertices here. When I hit loop, I'll get both of those. And I'm just going to weight those 0.5 towards the spine, because if you remember, they were already weighted to the hips. And we can see that here. They're half on the spine, half on the hips. So the 3 loops above these, again I'll select them in the same way. Just get 2 verts from each loop and then hit loop, and that's all the way around the body. I'm going to weight these 1, and then with this loop I actually want to blend it with the hips a bit, so I'm going to highlight the hips bone here and just click 0.25 there. So now we're going to highlight the spine 1 bone from the joint list and select the vertex loop that's halfway between spine 1 and spine 2, and let's just weight that 0.5 to spine 1. The loops above this we should weight fully to spine 1. They mostly were already, but the back wasn't. And now let's highlight the spine 2 bone and select only this loop and weight that 0.5 to blend it between those 2 joints. So now we need to select the vertices above that last loop, and we don't want these back 3 selected because we've already weighted those. So let's just hit 1 for those. Then if we select this vertex in the middle of the chest and hit grow 4 times, it should give us a good selection that we can then weight fully to this bone. If we go to the back and highlight this and then grow just twice and weight that fully as well. The last thing we'll need to do is select the 2 loops around here and weight those fully. There are a couple of vertices around the neck which were missed, so we'll just do a loop selection on both of those loops and include those as well. So now the whole upper torso is weighted to the spine 2 joint.